Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, I will show you how to make aprons using old pans and recycled materials. But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So, are you excited? Let's go! Okay guys, we're done with our aprons using the old pans and recycled materials. Look at that. So pretty and sexy. You can make your own design. Just be creative in making your designs for your aprons using the old pans and recycled materials. Look at that. Ta-da! So pretty. You can do it yourself. As for our shout out to Isabella Zelada in Guatemala. Hi there. And also to Avelin Saire, Mama Nancy's Vlog, Kusina ni Kino, and Avelin na taga Dipolog City, sa mga pamilya nako diha sa Dipolog City. I miss you guys. And that's all for this video. Bye now. Take care. Aprons using old pans and recycled materials.